my camping site. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep in this way, because basically one of the sides is way too steep, so I have no clue. Anyway, it's 15 degrees. I'm gonna prepare myself to cook something and then go sleep. Absolutely dark, nothing here. This small point is basically the moon, and you cannot see anything else. Completely wildness. And this is the place when I sleep most of the time. I have fridge just in case to keep up the normal food, because usually or either I'm eating normal food or just Chinese noodle soup, and then you have the whole vision. And I'm charging my power bank and I'm heating the water. I want to have a shower. We'll see if this one is gonna heat it properly and I can use it. It's gonna be fun.